Chapter 1: Food and Digestion. In this lesson, nutrients, balanced diet, digestion of food, process of digestion, preparation of food. We have already learnt in the previous classes that all living things need food. We need food to grow and stay fit and healthy. Food gives us energy to carry out all our daily activities. We eat different kinds of food like wheat, rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Some of us also eat eggs, fish and meat. Food that we eat contains substances called nutrients, which are needed by our body for different purposes. Nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are some essential nutrients required by our body. Our food must also include water and roughage, fiber. Different food items contain different nutrients in various amounts. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. We need energy to play, work and think. Two types, sugar and starch, are of carbohydrates. Sugar is present in honey, sugarcane, fruits, etc. Cereals like rice, wheat and potato contain starch. People who do more physical work need more carbohydrates. Fats. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Foods such as oil, butter, ghee, and dried fruits like almonds, cashew nuts are rich sources of fat. Fats help to keep our body warm. If we eat more fat than is needed, our body stores it and we may become heavy and flabby. We must not eat too much fat as it is unhealthy. Foods that are rich in carbohydrates and fats are called energy-giving foods. Proteins. Proteins help us to grow. They are called the building blocks of our body. They also help to repair the damaged parts of our body. They are needed in a smaller quantity than carbohydrates. Growing children need more proteins than adults. Eggs, fish, meat, cheese, beans, peas, milk, pulses are rich sources of proteins. Foods that are rich in proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Vitamins. Vitamins help our body to fight against diseases, and hence they are needed to keep us healthy. They are required in very small quantities. Vitamins are present in fruits and vegetables. Most of the vitamins get destroyed on cooking. We should therefore eat raw fruits and vegetables daily. Minerals. Minerals help in the formation of our teeth, bones and blood. Calcium present in milk helps to make our teeth and bones strong. Iron present in green leafy vegetables helps to make blood in the body. Some other minerals needed by our body are potassium, sodium and iodine. We get minerals from fruits, vegetables, meat, fish and milk. Foods rich in minerals and vitamins are protective foods. Roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food we eat. It helps in proper functioning of the digestive system. It provides bulk to the food. Fresh fruits and green vegetables, peas, beans, whole cereals, etc. are good sources of roughage. Water. Our body is about 70% water. Water is needed to help our body to function properly. We must drink 8-10 glasses of water daily. Fruits and vegetables also contain water. Balanced diet. Diet is the food we eat daily. A diet which contains all the nutrients in the right proportion to keep our body fit and healthy is called a balanced diet. Our daily diet should consist of rice, chapatis, pulses, vegetables, fruits, dairy products, salad and water. Digestion of food. The food that we eat cannot be used directly by our body for energy and growth. It must be broken down into simpler forms. The process of breaking down of food into simpler forms which can be used by the body is called digestion. Process of digestion. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. As soon as food enters the mouth, the teeth chew it and break it into smaller pieces. Saliva in the mouth mixes with the food. It helps to make the food soft and moist. Saliva is a digestive juice secreted by salivary glands. It breaks starch into sugar. Thus, starchy foods like bread taste sweet after we chew them for some time. The rolling action of the tongue mixes the chewed food with saliva properly. It also helps to swallow the food. Digestive system: anus, pancreas, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum. The food swallowed after proper chewing passes through the esophagus, food pipe, into the stomach. Stomach is a muscular bag. Food is churned and ground into a fine paste in it. Digestive juices in stomach mix with the food and break down proteins into simpler forms. The food remains in stomach for about 4 hours. From the stomach, the partly digested food enters the small intestine, which is a long, coiled tube that also secretes some digestive juices from its walls. Here, the food is mixed with these juices. The juices of liver and pancreas also enter the small intestine. These juices digest the carbohydrates, fats and proteins in the food completely. The digested food is now in a liquid form. The blood vessels present on the walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food and transport it to the various parts of the body. Digestion of food is finally completed in the small intestine. The undigested food passes into large intestine. Water present in it is absorbed by the blood vessels present in the walls of the large intestine. The semi-solid waste is thrown out of the body through the anus when we go to the toilet. This is called digestion. Good eating habits. Good eating habits help in proper digestion of food and ensure its best use by our body. You should eat food at fixed hours. Do not overeat. Chew the food properly. Eat freshly cooked food. Eat a balanced diet. Not eat too many sweets. Eat fruits and green vegetables daily. Drink plenty of water. Not eat food that is raw uncovered or which is not fresh. Preparation of food. We eat both raw and cooked food. We should wash fruits and vegetables properly before eating or cooking them so as to remove the dust and germs present on their surface. Most of the food we eat is cooked. Cooking makes the food soft, easy to chew and tasty. Cooked food is easily digestible. Cooking also kills harmful germs which may be present in raw food. Cooking methods. Food is cooked in different ways. Some food items like rice are boiled. We fry pakoras and puris. Dhokla and idli are steamed. Cakes and biscuits are baked. Meat, potatoes, and brinjals are roasted. Tips on cooking. 1. Do not soak vegetables in water. 2. Always wash fruits and vegetables before cutting them. 3. Do not throw away the water in which pulses are soaked. It can be used in cooking, as it contains nutrients. 4. Do not overcook food as the nutrients are destroyed by too much of frying and roast. 5. Take just enough water when boiling food so that the water that has absorbed nutrients is not thrown away. Preservation of food. Food gets spoilt easily and has to be thrown away. To avoid wastage of such a valuable thing as food, we must treat it properly to keep it good for longer periods. The process of treating food in a way that preserves its value for a long time is called preservation. We can preserve food in the following ways. 1. By refrigeration, keeping both raw/cooked food in the refrigerator. 2. By drying cauliflower, mangoes, dates, mint, peas and milk powder. 3. By canning and bottling jams, juices. 4. By pickling mango, lemon, carrot. 5. By storing in airtight containers pulses, spices,